Yeah. Today we are going to discuss about natural language versus computer language. Yeah. The ambiguity is the primary difference between natural and computer languages. We have already discussed about this ambiguity and all. These formal programming languages are designed to be unambiguous, and they can be defined by a grammar that produces a unique parts per each sentence in the language. Like programming language is also designed for efficient deterministic parsing. So here they are deterministic context-free languages. So here natural language, it has consisting of human language or spoken or written, right? It complex and context dependent and ambiguous. It's involving with more exceptions and used for the communication expressions and creativity. Examples like English, Spanish, Telugu, Urdu, Malayalam, and all these are the different types of languages, right? This is a natural language. Here, coming to the computer language, it has artificial language designed for only the machines and precise, formal, and ambiguous, follows strict rules and syntax, right? Used for programming, data preprocessing, and data processing, computation of the data. These are all followed by the like computer language. So the examples of this computer language is Java, Python, C, C hash, C extension, HTML. Yeah, these are the different types of computer language. Yeah. Let's see what is the differences of this natural language and computer language is syntax. Natural language has a flexible syntax, while C, computer language has strict syntax and semantics. Natural language has complex semantics, while the computer language has well-defined semantics. Next, ambiguity. Natural language is often ambiguous, while computer language is designed to avoid ambiguity. Okay, yeah, here context. A natural language relies heavily on context, while CL, like computer language, relies on explicit definitions. And the purpose of natural language is for human communication, while computer language is for machine processing. Yes. Natural language is for human communication and computer language is for machine processing. We are facing some different types of challenges for using this natural language and computer language interactions. So here we can see that natural language processing. Yes. You can this natural language and the computer language that can involve in the using of facing of the challenges NLP, natural language processing, and for the machine translation also, and sentiment analysis, speech recognition, human computer interaction. These are the challenges for natural language and computer language. Okay, next, bridging the gap. Here, bridging the gap between the natural language and the computer language. Yeah, let's see formal languages. Formal languages, we can say that XML, yeah, extensible markup language, and JSON, JavaScript, object notation. Yeah, these are the few examples of this formal language controlled controlling your like natural language, like simplified English. And we can also include hybrid approaches like natural language based on programming, and deep learning is based on the NLP models, like natural language processing models. Here, multimodal interactions like voice, like and gesture, posters. These are all we can call it as a multimodal interaction, and implications of this natural language and the computer language is improved human computer interaction. Yeah. By using of this computer language, it can improve human computer interaction and enhanced accessibility and usability. It also increased automation and efficiency, and it is also for the taking of better decision making and analytics, and it involves new applications and innovations. For this understanding of all the differences and challenges, this natural language and the computer uh, this computer language or improving in the human in it's a crucial for development. Yeah. Say, crucial thing for developing effective natural language processing solutions and improving human computers, right? Yes. Yeah. And the components of using this natural language is phonology. It is for the sound systems, morphology. It's for word structure, and the syntax. It's for sentence structure, like syntax for the sentence structure. And the next is semantics. It is for the meaning of the sentences or meaning of the words or the phrases. And the next one is pragmatics. Pragmatics for communication context. Yeah, communication between us with context. That is pragmatics. And we have levels of natural language. Lexical. Lexical, it's describe the words, and syntactic. Syntactic for sentences, right? Sentences. And semantic for the meanings. And pragmatic for the context. Discourse for the conversation, right? Yeah. And this natural language have some tasks. Yes, like yeah. This natural languages for the computer language having dealing with different types of tasks to perform between like computer and the natural language processing. Here natural language is like um, we can use English, Spanish, and Urdu, Malayalam, and all, right. Here, coming to the computer language, we are using Java, XML, JavaScript, C, Python. These are the computer languages. So here, computer languages are having some types of computer language is programming language, scripting language, markup language, database language, functional language. So programming language, it consists with Python, Java, C. And scripting languages is consisting with JavaScript, PHP, Ruby. These are the scripting languages. And the markup languages. Markup languages is like HTML, XML, CSS. These are the markup languages. And coming to the databases, we are connecting for the database like SQL database, Oracle database. These are the database languages. And the next functional programming languages is a skill. A skill is the functional programming languages. And the characteristics of this computer languages, we can follow for formal syntax and semantics for this computer language, and preserve and ambiguous and follow strict rules and conventions executable by computers, right? Yeah, executable by computers, platform dependent and or platform independent. Platform dependent or platform independent. Programming languages, here we are using the OOPS, object oriented programming, functional programming, imperative programming, declarative programming, event driven programming. These are the programming languages for the computer language. Yes. Yeah, these are the different types of programming languages for the computer. And this computer language applications are game development, web development, mobile app development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, database management, operating systems, embedded systems. These are the different types of computer language applications. And coming to the popular computer languages, let's see Python, Java, JavaScript, C, PHP, Ruby, and Swift, Go, Rust. These are the different types of popular computer languages in the present generation. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This computer language evolution as step-by-step process that follows procedural programming and object-oriented programming, web development, mobile app development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. For the present, we are using the artificial intelligence and machine learning. These computer languages continue to evolve, driving innovation and technology advancement. Yeah, this is the differences between computer language and natural language.